Hey guys, I'm Micah Starnes, owner of Home Rescue Roofing and Renovations. Today, I'd like to talk to you about a question I get asked a lot. People say, what are these black streaks on my roof and can we wash them off? Well, the black streaks are actually caused by algae that's begun to form because of the loss of effectiveness of the algae-fighting granules on the shingles. The granules are actually ceramic that's designed to reflect UV radiation. But in the 50s, they realized if they added copper to these granules, it would block algae from ever forming. Over time, though, this copper leaches out and is dissolved by the rain and the weather, reducing the effectiveness of the granules. This is why the roof begins to streak. After that, it's like pressure washing your driveway. The copper only prevents the algae from forming, it doesn't kill it, so you can't add more copper to the roof. There's no fixing it, it's just going to get dirty again, once again like pressure washing the driveway. But these streaks tend to take 7 to 10 years to form, giving the roof plenty of time to see storm damage. Here at Home Rescue, we like to work with our homeowners to help make the claims process through the homeowner's insurance completely painless.